Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Coop Deluxe on a Chromebook. Firstly, what we're going to do is enable Linux apps. To do that, what you want to do is head over to your launcher and look up settings. And then scroll down to see about Chrome OS, and then scroll down to see Linux development environment, and then press setup. Click next. You can change your username if you want. And make sure to keep it on recommended and then press install. And then after this is installed, I will see you at the other side of the screen. Good. Okay, so now that we have that done, it's command time. Okay, so now what you want to do is type in terminal. Okay, so firstly, what we're going to do is install required packages so when installing Coop Deluxe, there will be no errors. So now what you want to do is copy the first code by hitting Control C, and then go back to the terminal, and then hit Control Shift V, and then hit Enter. Okay, so when the prompt comes up, do you want to continue? Press Y and then hit Enter. Good. Okay, so now that we have that done, now what we're going to do is install the installer for Coop Deluxe. Good. Okay, so now that we have that done, now what we're going to do is unzip the game. Good. Okay, so now that we have that done, to launch the game every time, you have to run this command every time in a terminal in order to launch Coop Deluxe. Let's do it now. And as you can see here, that Coop Deluxe is installed on my Chromebook. And that's it for today. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.